Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and let me share with you some useful secret codes which you can use on your device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and tap on the keypad, because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the code which is probably the most known. It is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let me tap on OK, and let me show you another code which is probably the easiest one. It is *1234#. And here we've got the version, so here we can check the APCP, CSC and the model. Let's get back and let me show you another code, which is, in my personal opinion, the most useful one for a regular user. It is *0*. So at the same time, it is not only the most useful, but also probably the easiest. The easiest and the shortest. So okay, let me focus. So here we've got the mode, the testing mode, which will allow us to test all of the components of our device. So by using red, green and blue, we can check our screen if it is working. We can check the vibration, for example, sensor, touch, black. So it is actually the same as the red, green and blue colors. We can check the version, the loopback, and so on and so on. So that's quite a cool option. Let me show you how it works. Let me tap on red, and as you can see right now, the red is displayed all across the screen. And if you can see it without any missing spots, without any white spots, then it means that it works perfectly fine. So let me check the green also. The same situation is working, the blue, and it is also working perfectly fine. Let's check the vibration. Let's tap on it, and if you can, after tapping, obviously hear the vibration, then it means that it is working. The same situation with the touch. Here we have to draw the lines all across those squares and the rectangles, and if you will see the green color, then it means that it is working perfectly fine. So as you can see, all of the edges of this device are working. Let's check all across the screen. It is working here and here. It is also working, but we've got two of them missed. Probably that was my mistake. As you can see, everything works fine. So I highly recommend to stay in this mode and just have fun with your device, and at the same time check if it is working. If you want to get back, you have to double tap on the back button. So okay, let me show you another code which will open the battery status. It is *0228#. And as I said, here we've got the battery status, so here we can check the value, voltage, level block, and for example, average value. Let me get back and let me show you the USB settings. It is *0808#. And as I said, here we've got the USB settings, so I would say that it's quite technical mode. So here we can check the MTP, PTP, and so on and so on. If you want to change, just tap on the option you'd like to set and tap on OK. After tapping on reboot, obviously your device will restart. Let me get back and let me show you the last code which will open the firmware version. It is *2663#. And as I said, we are in the firmware version, so here we can check the Wi-Fi version, for example. We can refresh it. Here we've got also the Bluetooth version, and we can check, for example, the kernel proximity. So actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.